9 out of 10 times, we see teens and young children take over sports and other outdoor activities. Adults often stay on the sidelines, cheering for everyone who's competing. The same might be true with skateboarding. Adults may be less involved because they feel too old to ride a skateboard. It's time to break away from this concept. Learn about the best skateboard for beginners and adults, and see how skateboarding fits all ages. Here are a few things we need to consider. There are many products available to choose from among skateboards, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best skateboards from reputed brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Andermatt Skateboard for Beginners. What makes the Andermatt Skateboard for Beginners ideal as a starter skateboard for adults is its hardware. It comes with a set of high-strength nails that keep the skateboard's parts firmly aligned. These components also make me more confident when riding because of their added durability to the board. The next feature I love about this skateboard is its stepping surface. The Andermatt comes with a layer of anti-slip waterproof emery sand grip tape on the top. This component helps me retain balance when riding. Since the strong grip tape is waterproof, my deck becomes less susceptible to water and moisture penetration. Another feature that helps me balance on this skateboard is its truck system. It has this pair of dampings that aim to neutralize vibrations coming from a rough road. These parts also help absorb shocks, thus keeping me stable on the board. Paired with high-quality aluminum trucks, the components under my deck are reliable. I think the skateboard for adults also does well in terms of aesthetics. The skateboard I ordered arrived with a decent print. And what I love more about this aspect is the brand uses a waterproof printing method with its designs. With these, I get to enjoy a virtually pleasing and sturdy deck as well. Number 2. Belief Skateboard for Beginners featuring a double-kick concave design. The Belief Skateboard for Beginners is one of the great beginner skateboards that give the user total control of the board. It helps me secure better balance, positioning, and even braking on the board. With it, learning the basics of skateboarding won't be a difficult task for anyone. Another benefit I get from this skateboard brand's deck is its sturdiness. The Belief comes with 7 layers of maple wood carefully pressed against each other. I like this deck composition because it's durable. And what's better about it is it supports a maximum load of 220 pounds, which means it fits heavy people as well. Besides its emery non-slip surface, this skateboard also has a set of anti-slip wheels. These 95 rollers help the board maintain a steady direction. Also, these polyurethane wheels have the right combination of grip and rebound, giving me a balanced and smooth ride every time. Not only do these rollers initiate smooth rides, but speedy ones, too. Inside Belief's wheels are Beck 7 high-speed bearings that add precision and make my rides faster. These components also help me dodge road cracks and bumps with their shock absorption capacity. Number 3. Feroz Skateboard. Searching for skateboards ideal for doing tricks got me the Feroz Skateboard. This skateboard for adult beginners features a quality deck with a double warp design, allowing me to be more creative with my ride. I like this feature because it lets me do pivots, slides, street skating, and sharp turns with ease. The next aspect I love about this skateboard lies with its trucks. Feroz made a pair of durable aluminum trucks that promote balance and stability on the skateboard. These components also have high rebound dampings that add safety and comfort when riding. With these features, I feel secure and more confident on the road. I find the wheels of this skateboard of good quality as well. Their 95 hardness is at a perfect gauge for beginners. Next is the rollers, which are grippy, making them fit for almost any kind of road. Moreover, these polyurethane wheels have a Beck 11 bearings in their core, adding smoothness and speed when I ride. I think this skateboard also does well in terms of convenience. It comes fully assembled, saving me time mounting and adjusting its parts. Besides arriving ready to use, what makes this beginner skateboard complete is that it also comes with a carrying bag, a repair tool, and backup bearings to address the simple issues I encounter. Number 4. GoNext Standard Skateboard. Looking at the deck structure, the GoNext Standard Skateboard is one of the few complete skateboards that ensure utmost durability. This skateboard features 9 layers of sturdy Canadian maple wood, providing enough flex and toughness to the deck. This composition also makes me feel more secure and stable when riding. One more feature I love about this skateboard's deck is its size. GoNext comes with a 313x83 deck size, perfect for adult riders. While the length may be negligible when choosing boards, the width brings me balance, especially when gliding. I think this is also a good starter skateboard in terms of design. It comes with a concave shape, double kicktails, and aesthetic prints behind the deck. Its form helps me control the board better, thus allowing me to execute more tricks. And the deck prints are diverse, making this skateboard fit any rider's age. I think this option is also versatile. It comes with a pair of high rebound bushings that allow enough grip when skating. With these features, I get to ride on smooth and rough surfaces with the same level of stability and confidence. Number 5. The Suppo Skateboard featuring a pair of classic colored trucks. The Suppo Skateboard has some of the best components below the stepping surface. This skateboard comes with a set of trucks finished with an anti-rust surface. This aspect keeps these parts less vulnerable to water penetration, thus extending their service life. The next aspect I love about this skateboard is its deck. The Suppo comes with a 7-layered Canadian maple deck with a radial concave shape. This board form makes it easy for any rider to do tricks. So, learning some challenging stunts using this skateboard never seemed too hard for me. I also like the rollers of this skateboard. It comes with a set of 95 hard wheels that are perfectly bouncy and grippy. Plus, inside these high ribbon pool wheels are Beck 11 bearings that help reduce shocks, thus keeping my ride as smooth as possible. I feel stable on the board, and I love the added precision from the bearings. This skateboard has ideal mobility. It comes with a skateboard backpack that lets me take it anywhere conveniently. Besides that, it also has a set of tools to help me keep up with any necessary adjustments. Included are 4 screws, 2 bearings, and a repair tool. With these, I think this skateboard is a perfect traveling board. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as they will make your life much more easier. Thank you.